Is a percent yield example. Okay, the problem says sulfur dioxide can be produced in the laboratory by the reaction of hydrochloric acid and a sulfite salt such as sodium sulfite. You calculate that you will produce 22.7 grams of NaCl. You measured 1.45 grams of sodium chloride. Okay, so theoretical yield is what you calculate or predict, and this is what you use to, you get this number using a calculator. And an actual yield is something that you measured, formed, / isolated, and it's something that you do physical action with, and you don't use a calculator to find it. Okay, so reading this last part to you again, it says you calculate that you will produce 22.7 grams of NaCl, and you measured 1.45 grams of sodium chloride. Okay, so we need to identify theoretical yield. Well, if the theoretical yield is something that is calculated, and it says you calculate that you will produce 22.7 grams of NaCl, then the theoretical yield will be 22.7 grams of NaCl. Again, that's because you calculated it. And then it says you measured 1.45 grams of sodium chloride. Okay, so the actual yield is something that you measured, so that will be 1.45 grams of yeah, 1.45 grams. Just like that. Okay, so to find the percent yield, you do the actual over the theoretical times 100 equals percent yield. That's the equation. Okay, so the actual is 1.45 grams divided by 22.7 grams, and then you times it by 100. You plug that in the calculator, times it by 100, and you will get 6.39% as your percent yield. And that is it. Easy.